welcome back to another video. This is Sienna, your chef, and you're watching Sienna's Cucina. I wanted to say a big hello to all my subscribers, especially my friends from school, Alice, Caitlin, Tasha and Millie, because I know they've been watching my videos. And I also wanted to say a big hello to anybody new that's just tuned in. And today I'm going back to the basics, pasta, and I'm going to be making your chef Sienna's simple fresh pasta. Okay, so the ingredients you'll need for your chef Sienna's simple fresh pasta is you don't need any of that. All you'll need for your chef Sienna's simple fresh pasta is semolina flour and plain old regular water. You can just use normal flour though. Right. The reason I'm doing this dish is because pasta, it's the key to Italian cooking. It's like England. You've got a cup of tea, fish and chips, but in Italy, you've got pasta and pizza. We do it right. The pasta I'm making today is cavatelli, and this is the easiest pasta shape to make, honestly. You don't need a pasta machine, you don't need a rolling pin, all you need is these little fingers, or a knife, but I use my fingers. Okay, so what you'll need for this is obviously your flour and your water, and you'll be needing 100 grams of flour and 50 ml of water. Every 100 grams of flour you add another 50 ml. I'm now going to measure out the flour, and I'm just going to talk a little bit more about the pasta. And cavatelli, you've probably heard of spaghetti, penne, other simple ones like that, but you've probably not even heard of what am I making?
Oh my god, Sienna, you're so stupid. What are you doing?
This comes from the Italian verb cavare, right? And it means like a cave or hollow, because like caves are hollow. And I really like this shape because when you've got like a nice meaty sauce or like a nice simple tomato sauce, all the sauce goes inside it and it's just delicious. Now it's when you get messy. This is the fun bit. Okay, so because you've got all your water in the bowl now, you wanna like scoop it out from in the middle and get everything. So you wanna cover all the flour. Once all the water is covered by the flour, you can start squeezing everything together because you wanna make sure you get all the semolina in it. If it gets really dry, you will need some more water, but not another 50 ml, like just add it like 5 ml at a time. Okay, so now it's done. We're going to take it out of the bowl, pop it there, pop the bowl to one side because we won't be needing that anymore. I'm just going to give it a little squeeze just to get it in like a nice form. So you get it with both your hands, get your fingers except from your thumbs in the middle of it and fold it like that. You want to get it in your hands, and like I'm doing here, is you want to get all your 4 fingers, obviously you're fine, but your fingers in the middle of the dough, and you want to fold it in and then do it the same. You don't want to do this too many times, so I do this about 5 times. And then get your dough, roll it into a little ball, get some cling film, I've got a bit too much here, and wrap it in that. I'm telling you that you will not regret making this, because even my little cute dog Pippo can make it. That is how simple it is to make it. And so now we've got it all in cling film, and now I'm going to leave it to rest for 5 minutes and just think of all the things I could be doing in 5 minutes. Maybe ordering some Christmas presents, reading a magazine. Oh wow. That looks nice, doesn't it? Oh, mozzarella bar. I've heard of that before. Pizzeria. Wow. This looks delicious. Oh, who's that funny little looking man in the book? Oh wait, it's my dad. Okay, so as you can see, it's got a bit bigger. We're not going to talk about that. So now it's rested and it's nice and stretchy. It's time to make the pasta. We are going to take our dough because it's just rested. I'm shaking it around now. So the reason I've let this relax is because it relaxes. It's come from being all tensed up and squished together to being all nice and fluffy. And as you can see, if you feel it, it will be a lot like lighter and fluffier. Okay, so now it's time to make the pasta. So you want to get like a little dough ball size. And I'm just going to move the dough away for a minute. Okay, so you want to roll this into like a sausage shape. So you just use your hands for this. Okay, so you want to do this so it's nice and thin, not like super thin like string. Okay, so once it's like a snake, you can then start to chop little squares. You want to try and get the squares as even to each other as possible, but don't spend ages measuring each little cube, because you'll be here for ages. So, I learned how to make this pasta when I was about 5, 6 with my nonna, which is where I get most of my dishes from. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make the shape. So, what you want to do is you want to get the side of your thumb like pointing outwards, not towards your finger. You want to get it, put it on the tip of it, and push forward and roll. This one's a bit big, so if they are massive, then you can just cut them in half, roll it again, and do it again. So, as you can see, they've got like the little cave or hollow, but that's why it's called cavaletti, because it's hollow inside. The first time I made these, it didn't go very well. I just couldn't get the shape because like my finger kept slipping, because like my hands are probably like the size of my little finger now, and it took me, I learned how to do it about 2 years ago, and I'm 12 now and I was about 5, 6 at the time. It's quite embarrassing. But it just shows that I'm not perfect at everything, and nobody really is. So now I've finished my shapes, I've just added them to a tiny bit of semolina, like a big pinch, I'm just going to roll them around because it just helps them dry a bit more. Okay, so I'm going to leave them on the board there, and that is your cavatelli done. I'm now going to be cooking them just so you can see like the cook time and everything. Now all our shapes have been made. We are now going to get our water that is boiling, and obviously it's at boiling temperature. So what you'll need is just water and a pan. Very simple today, very simple. Okay, so now I've got it all. It's probably like a very, this is a starter portion. This isn't all the 100 grams, so don't worry. So you want to add this to the water. Obviously be careful because it will splash. And I've not got much, but I just wanted to show you the cooking time on it because it's different to store-bought pasta because it rises to the top when it's ready. The pasta's ready now, and you can put this with any sauce that you want. I've just done it like to show you quickly the cooking time. So I've got a little plate here, and I'm now going to take my pasta. I'm going to move it across, turn it off, and I'm just going to, I've got a spoon with holes in it so it's draining all the water. So you're going to get it all out of the pan, and then you're done. There is your cavatelli, and I'm going to make it look a bit more appetising by adding a bit of olive oil, and Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to mix this up. And this is how my cousins eat old pasta. They just have like olive oil and cheese. And here you have your Chef Sienna's simple fresh pasta. Thanks for watching your Chef Sienna's simple fresh pasta, and also whilst I'm on, don't forget to go check out my other video because that is when I've been making a super simple sugo sauce, and that'll go great with this pasta. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share what you like most about this video. Ciao for now!